Hi guys, welcome to TechTum channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can configure Outlook 2007 with Gmail account. So let's go to Gmail first. After go to Gmail, you have to go on top right the settings icon, click on this and go see all settings. Then you'll find here forwarding and pop IMAP. Click on this, scroll down and you'll find here IMAP access, two options, enable IMAP or disable IMAP. If you disable, you must enable it. Okay, just enable it and scroll down and you'll find here save changes. Click on save changes. After clicking save changes, we are done. Now go to follow this in your Outlook 2007. I don't have Outlook 2007 installed in my PC. That's why you can do it by following these steps. To add Gmail or Outlook 2007, you must enable pop IMAP, what we have already done. Now open Gmail account, pop IMAP done. Now open your Outlook 2007, go to tools, then go account settings, then click the email and select new. Then go to Microsoft Exchange, POP3, IMAP, HTTP3, then next. Manually configure server settings, additional server types. Click on next, then internet email and then click next. Then IMAP account. In IMAP account, you'll find this as HTML and username, your Gmail address. Then click on next, finish, you're done. So if you follow this step after doing that from Gmail account, yeah, you can do it. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.